Latifatul Farida. My name 01012301 I am student in STI Dr. KHZ Mutakin. My major in Islamic education, and these videos for following an English lecture. Let me tell you a story called Queen of Balkis converted to Islam and the story behind the prophet effort. Queen of Balkis was queen of Saba named in submission to the prophet Sulaiman, claimed in the Abukhari Ridwan. In her book 99 Amazing Stories in the Quran, the Queen of Balkis lives in a fertile land and her people the land of Saba. The story of Queen Balkis is also enshrined by God via His word in some verses of the Quran, Surah An-Naml verses 23 and 24, which say, Inni wajadtum ra'atan tamlikuhum wa utiyat min kulli syai'in wa laha 'arsyun 'azim. Wajadtuha wa qawmaha yasjuduna lisyamsi min dunillahi wa zayyana lahumus syaitanu a'malahum fasaddahum 'anis sabili fahum la yahtadun. It means, surely I, Hudhud, found a woman ruling over them, an inhabitant of Saba. He is blessed with everything and has a big throne. I found her in her people worshipping the sun, not God. Satan has adorned those work, but to the beautiful, for them to block them from God, they got not clue. The interpretation of the Quran explains that the woman here is the Queen of Balkis who ruled Saba's kingdom in the days of the Prophet Sulaiman alayhi salam. It is known that although the Queen of Balkis had everything, she did not worship the Almighty God as owner of all nature and its content. Quoted in the examples of 25 prophets and apostles by Ibn Sharifah, the Prophet Sulaiman was surprised to hear of anyone worshipping beside the god of South. Thus, the Prophet Sulaiman as quickly sent a letter to the Queen of Balkis delivered by Hudhud. After Queen Balkis received the letter, she immediately gathered her trusted ones to discuss the content of the letter. His trust ones conveyed their views about the letter. They advised Queen Balkis not to be inclined to believe what was in the letter, since the king, the Prophet Sulaiman alayhi salam, make wish to take over their kingdom. Queen Balkis is very careful about making decisions and sends a reply to the Prophet Sulaiman alayhi salam, as stating that he will send his messengers. Then Hudhud come back with a reply letter. Queen Balkis sent her messengers to the Prophet Sulaiman, bearing a wide variety of extravagant gifts from his kingdom. To welcome the princess of Queen Balkis' envoy, the Prophet Sulaiman prepared a place of unparalleled beauty and splendor. Long story short, the emissary to the Queen of Balkis spoke of what he saw as beyond her imagination, how theirs is a place greater than Queen Balkis. It makes her wonder. Queen Balkis then set out on her own to ascertain what was conveyed by her messenger. Hearing rumors that Queen Balkis wanted to come directly to her palace, the Prophet Sulaiman to ask the jinn who could transplant the kingdom of the Balkis into my place in a moment's time. At last, this magnificent palace was built by a God-given gift to the Prophet Sulaiman as well. As soon as Queen Balkis reached the place of the Prophet Sulaiman, he asked, "Is this what your throne is like?" To the bewildered Queen of Balkis, observing the Sigator. After some confusion, Queen Balkis replied, "As if this throne were my throne." The Prophet Sulaiman alaihi salam then said again, "We have been given previous knowledge and we are persons of surrender." The last sentence given by the Prophet Sulaiman served as reminder that the Queen of Balkis could think there was power over her abilities. His action toward the sun and the scientific progress he has achieved pale in comparison to the science process by the Prophet Sulaiman as well as his Islamists. The Queen of Balkis finally let it pass the way so was truly her throne. The Queen of the Balkis was later greatly impressed by the fight of the Prophet Sulaiman that she had witnessed. He was also fascinated by the scientific advances that had been made in the kingdom of the Prophet Sulaiman as well. He then invited Queen Balkis to enter the prepared place. Finally, the Balkis queen came to realize that the sun that has been worshipped by her kind is only a creature that God has created for all of his servants. Queen Balkis then announced Islam. He submitted himself to God and was followed by all his subjects. That's the end of my story. Thank you, and I'm sorry for many flaws. Bye bye.